Hello, Rutgers. It is your host, Jonah Shick here with another afternoon forecast for Thursday, September 25th. It has been a year and we're back at it. So let's get into that. Right now, it is around 75 degrees, very muggy outside with humidity at 97% and winds coming out of the south at 2 miles per hour. Headlines: swampy today, hot and humid tomorrow, and a cool down this weekend. Current temperatures 80s for the south of the state. Definitely significantly warmer in the southern tier of the state compared to the northwestern tier of the state, where it is mainly 80s here, except for that 72 in Atlantic City, but 80 in Cape May there. So just demonstrating how it's 80 in most of the state. As you go up north to northwest Jersey, in those higher elevations, you see 71, 72, especially because the heavier rain there is keeping the temperatures down. Let's go into the dew point forecast. Dew point's currently around 70 degrees, but steadily going down into more normal to average humidity levels as we get into the weekend after the storms clear on Saturday. So this muggy weather will be past us going Sunday morning. Looking at the radar and satellite currently, just demonstrating that system is moving out pretty quickly. Not really significant moisture coming out of this for us in New Brunswick. So this is available potential energy definitely for the northwestern tier, and in Pennsylvania they've been dealing with some heavy down tiers, downpours of rain. But this energy just kind of leaves us pretty quickly and dies out, and that's mainly because of this cold front, which is actually an occluded front right now. But just simplicity, we're just going to call it a cold front. This cold front moving in that drives the system right out Friday and into Saturday. This is looking more in detail at the future cast. So we do have that highest rain chance again tonight around 8 o'clock. And then in the morning of Friday, like 10, 9 a.m., there's some sprinkles there. But then by Friday at 2 p.m., the rain clears out. We do have some sunny weather coming in, but it's still going to be very humid. So that sun plus the humidity and that 80-degree weather, it's going to feel muggy outside, real muggy Friday. But Friday night, things do cool down, and into Saturday, we do have a minor system moving in. Now turning our heads to more humid and tropical weather, looking at the Bermuda Triangle area, there has been an invest, and Umberto, which is out in the Atlantic, which is Category 1, projected to reach Category 2 strength. As you can see here, coming into frame, there's Umberto, there's the invest. These two storms have a chance of interacting in a really unique way, known as the Fujiwara effect. So if the two storms do interact in that way, this invest is of no danger to us at all. Umberto is for sure of no danger. That's what all the models are in agreement that it's just going to go back out into the Atlantic and die once it reaches colder water. But this invest could easily develop into something and reach the Carolinas, depending on if it does not interact with Umberto. So fingers crossed that it does have the Fujiwara effect and is shot out to sea. But currently, it is looking more and more confident that it will develop into something to affect the Carolinas this coming weekend into next week. So definitely watching these tropics here. Looking at the drought monitor for the northern tier of the state, there is some moderate drought there. Nothing severe of note, but just to talk about that. Now, just going back to this development, there is confidence, for sure confidence of this developing in the next few days. Now, looking at the temperature outlook, we are big ridge here, heat dome developed over the country, high above normal for basically everywhere. We're kind of on the outer edge of that ridge, so we're not going to get as much of that warm temperatures as like Michigan and the central tier of the country will, but definitely keeping us warm these next few days. 7-day forecast: Friday patchy, then partly sunny, patchy showers there in the morning, humid and warm. Saturday temperatures do seem to drop to 77, so we still got some showers in the afternoon there. Sunday there is definitely some confidence of maybe half an inch of showers scattered throughout the day. But going into next weekend, the weather does clear out, and things do become a lot more full-like coming into Wednesday. So on like October 7th, October 3rd, things do finally start to turn. Uh, so I am looking forward to that fall weather. Anyways, it has been Jonah here with your forecast. Thank you for watching. Peace out, Rutgers.